Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix blocked by auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy A27. If something gets blocked by auto blocker, no matter whether it's downloading the app or anything else that may become blocked, you can simply disable auto blocker, and I would recommend disabling it and then enabling it again, because it makes your phone secure, but sometimes you may need to do actually something that requires you to turn off auto blocker. To do it, go to the settings and find security and privacy. Then scroll down to auto blocker and you can disable it, and now it'll give you that question. No, it didn't. Okay, never mind. Yeah, okay, turn on automatically is enabled, so after 30 minutes it will automatically turn on auto blocker. For now it's turned off, so I can, for example, install my file. So let's go to the downloaded files, select the file that I want to install. I'll need to give permissions to install unknown apps. Then, as you can see, it works, and it will automatically enable auto blocker after 30 minutes, so that your phone is protected again, but you were able to perform what you wanted to perform that was that you were unable to do when the auto blocker was on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.